Welcome to Italy. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey to one of the most captivating countries in the world. Italy. From ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, charming villages to breathtaking coastlines, Italy is a feast for the senses. So grab a cup of espresso, sit back, relax, and let's get started on this unforgettable journey. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Italy, Rome, a city steeped in history and buzzing with life. Standing in the Colosseum, feeling the echoes of gladiatorial combat and the roar of the crowd. Just a stone's throw away lies the Roman Forum, once the bustling center of the Roman Empire. As you wander through the ruins of temples and basilicas, you can almost hear the whispers of emperors and senators. Rome is a city that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern life. Be sure to toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to this captivating city. Next we journey to the enchanting city of Venice, a place unlike any other. Gliding along the canals in a gondola, the gentle rocking motion lulling you into a state of pure bliss. We'll visit St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture, and explore the Doge's Palace, the former seat of Venetian power. Don't forget to indulge in some cicchetti, Venice's answer to tapas, and enjoy a glass of local wine as you soak in the unique atmosphere of this floating city. Our journey continues to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance and home to some of the world's most iconic art and architecture. Picture yourself standing in front of the Duomo, its magnificent dome dominating the Florentine skyline. And of course, no visit to Florence would be complete without experiencing the breathtaking art of Michelangelo's David at the Galleria dell'Accademia. Prepare to be captivated by the Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline dotted with pastel-colored villages clinging to sheer cliffs. Driving along the winding coastal road, the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea sparkling below. Take a dip in the crystal-clear waters, savor fresh seafood at a cliffside restaurant, and soak in the breathtaking views. Our next stop takes us to Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site comprised of 5 colorful villages perched on rugged cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. Imagine hiking between the villages on ancient trails, each turn revealing breathtaking coastal views. Take a dip in the turquoise waters, savor a glass of local wine at a vineyard overlooking the sea, and enjoy the tranquility of this unspoiled paradise. Next destination is Milan, Italy's fashion capital, and a hub of design, art, and culture. Stroll down the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, an elegant 19th-century shopping arcade with its soaring glass ceiling and mosaic floors. Be sure to enjoy an aperitivo, the Italian tradition of pre-dinner drinks and snacks at one of the city's many stylish bars. Our journey takes us next to Tuscany, a region of rolling hills, vineyards, and charming medieval towns. Drive through the Tuscan countryside, the sun casting a warm glow on the vineyards and olive groves. We'll visit Siena, famous for its paleo horse race and stunning Piazza del Campo, and San Gimignano, with its medieval towers that transport you back in time. Be sure to sample the local wines, including the world-renowned Chianti Classico. Prepare to be enchanted by Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean and a melting pot of cultures. Explore ancient Greek temples and theaters, Norman cathedrals and Baroque palaces, all set against a backdrop of stunning coastline, rugged mountains, and fertile vineyards. Be sure to sample the island's delicious cuisine, influenced by centuries of different cultures. Our next destination takes us to Lake Como, a vision of tranquility nestled amidst the foothills of the Alps. Relax on the shores of the lake, surrounded by towering mountains, lush gardens, and charming villages. Explore the elegant villas that line the lake, including Villa del Balbianello, featured in several James Bond films. Our final stop, Pompeii, a haunting reminder of the power of nature and a fascinating glimpse into Roman life nearly 2,000 years ago. Imagine walking down the ancient streets, seeing the preserved buildings, and imagining the lives of the people who once lived here. See the plaster casts of the victims, forever frozen in their final moments, and gain a deeper understanding of this ancient civilization. And so, our Italian adventure comes to an end. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the canals of Venice, the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic coastline of the Amalfi Coast, Italy has left an indelible mark on our hearts. I hope this virtual journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Italy for yourself. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming video. Ciao for now, and happy travels.